Hey everybody, I'm Graham Nation, and today we're celebrating 25 years of sexy hair with the sexiest collab ever. I'm gonna be taking you through some of Christina Aguilera's most iconic looks. Today we're gonna do Stripped. Let's get started.
On damp hair, I sprayed Big Root Pump Plus Tat all over body and thermal protection. Apply a little to your hands and scrunch into the hair. Layer in Big High Standards Blow Dry Spray to strengthen the hair and decrease the drying time. Before you begin to blow dry, create a zigzag part. This will help build the foundation for the look. Create a foundation at the base of the head before attaching your extensions, using Big Spray and Play for workability and Big High Standards for medium hold and smoothness. Add the extensions to create texture, pops of color, and dimension to the look. Detail and blend for a textured effect. Take random sections throughout the head. Alternate with twisting and braiding strands using Big Root Pump Plus for long-lasting hold, humidity resistance, and shine. Dust the hair with Big Powder Play volumizing and texture powder to add separation and fullness to the mid-lengths and ends to complete the looks.